Well, we are up here on the 9th floor of the Hotel St. Louis in downtown St. Louis, Missouri. Here are the elevators. They're just generics. But with that said, we are actually staying here tonight. And I'm gonna give you all a room tour. This is a very interesting looking property. It's a historic building, of course. Very cool stairwell right there. But with that said, today we're staying in room 909. So let's see what we got. So we got the evacuation map right here. Yeah, it's a very interestingly laid out building. Fire routes and stuff. Security features, we have the deadbolt. And then this extra lock right here, I guess, or shield, whatever you want to call it. And then, I'm not sure what this is. I have a feeling it's a room connector, so I don't know if I want to open that. I guess we'll go ahead and look at the bathroom. This bathroom is pretty insane. Like, it is huge. So, this is probably the coolest feature. There is a bathtub in the shower. Which, that's crazy. Like, wow. That's actually insane. Hey there. And then we have the sink and the, I guess, table, whatever you want to call it. We have some tissues right here. We got facial soap, or bar soap, I guess. Then you got the sink. Water pressure is good. And look at this. We have a TV built into the mirror. So that's also insane. Of course, because of copyright reasons, I'm not going to turn it on, but wow, that is crazy. Plastic cups, another mirror. We have a trash can down here. Extra toiletries and stuff. We have a hair dryer, and that looks to be it for that. Extra towels. And here's the commode. And it actually has a bidet, from what I can tell. So that's interesting. Hey, look, it's the London Eye. But yeah, this bathroom is pretty insane. I'm quite shocked. But now we come into the rest of the room itself. It's got that historic feel to it, definitely. We have a 2 double, I think. 2 double, 2 queen. It's either one of those. But yeah, so far, first impressions looking at this room, I'm overall pretty darn impressed. Like, it's got a chandelier. And I think this right here is, yeah, a closet. We have a light on in here. I gotta find the switch. We have a coffee maker, ice bin, coffee cups, coffee beans, I guess. We also have a mini fridge. Not the biggest, but it works. We got some hangers. So yeah, that's a pretty impressive closet. Oh, here's the switch, I think. Yeah, there you go. Oh, and that turns on the chandelier too. So I guess we'll come to the nightstand real quick. We got the phone, big old lamp. Nothing in here. Nothing down here either. Sitting bench right here. Got a giant, I guess, dresser. Very nice and spacious. It's got a safe. So, need to lock something in there, then go right ahead. Got the TV remote right here. Channel listings. Also has a record player, which check that out. That is actually pretty impressive. And it comes with complimentary records. So that is very high end. We have a Samsung flat screen TV. Then we got the desk over here, which has outlets, USB outlets built in. Room service QR code right there. Got a lamp. Notepad. Nice chair. And then some trash cans and stuff. Get a look outside real quick. It's nighttime, so it's not the greatest view. You can see the Drury Plaza over there, though. You can't see the arch from here, sadly. And these definitely are not blackout curtains. Another chair. Now look at the two queen beds. So I'm gonna take my shoes off so we can test the comfiness level. Let's see here. A very comfy mattress overall. And these pillows, they feel pretty nice. Cleanliness, sorry, I can't speak today. I'm not seeing anything on this bed. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Okay, cleanliness-wise, I think the beds are good. Giant bed frames, too. And then the thermostat, Samsung. It is pretty toasty in here. We're going to turn it down. 76, yeah, that is hot. So we'll fix that. Hey. So yeah, I mean, wow, I am impressed with this room. I'm just going to say that right away. These beds, they're massive and overall super comfy. I think the biggest thing I'm impressed with is this bathroom. Like, this bathroom is actually insane. Between this massive shower and the fact there's a bathtub in it also, like, wow, this is one of the coolest bathrooms I've ever seen in a hotel room. So yeah, that's A+ right there. And the rest of this room, I'm overall super impressed with these first impressions. And for the price, I think this is worth it. This definitely was on the expensive side, but I'm overall liking it so far. So there you go. There's the room tour of this place. I'm overall super impressed with this room. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep because I'm kind of tired. So yeah, I think that's going to conclude this room tour. Thank you all for watching this. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned because I do have some more room tours coming soon. But with that said, thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free. You can always change your mind later. And bye, y'all.